Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Where Learning English is Easy and Fun. I'm Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, Emily. How are you today?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you. It's a beautiful day. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. It is a beautiful day. I am happy.
Me too. So, Paul, our listeners are here to learn English with us.
Yes, welcome everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel
Yes, and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
and share with your friends. Okay, are you ready for today's topic?
I am ready. I'm excited. What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about the weather.
The weather. A great topic. Everyone talks about the weather.
Exactly. It's a perfect way to start a conversation. So let's start now. Paul, a question for you.
Okay, I'm listening.
What's the weather like today?
Let me look out the window. It is sunny today. Very, very sunny.
Oh, lovely. I love sunny days. Is it hot?
Yes, it is hot and sunny. A perfect day for ice cream.
Ooh, ice cream. Good idea. Here it is sunny too, but it is not hot. It is warm.
Warm. That's nice too. Not hot, not cold, just perfect.
Yes, exactly. I like warm weather. I can wear a t-shirt.
Me too. A t-shirt and shorts. Do you like hot weather, Emily?
I like it when it's warm. When it is very, very hot, wow, it's a little difficult.
Yes, I understand. Very hot is a lot. But I like it. I like to go to the beach when it is hot.
The beach is wonderful on a hot day. The water is cool.
Oh, yes. Swimming in the cool water when the sun is hot, that is the best feeling.
I agree. And what about sunny days in the city? What do you like to do?
In the city, on a sunny day, I like to go to the park.
The park is a great idea. You can walk or sit on the grass.
Yes, and read a book under a tree. It's very relaxing.
That sounds so nice. I like to have a picnic in the park on a sunny day.
A picnic! What a fantastic idea! With sandwiches and fruit?
Yes, sandwiches, fruit, and a big bottle of water. It's important to drink water when it's hot.
Very important. Good tip, Emily. So, we both like sunny weather.
Yes, we do. It makes me feel happy. The sky is blue, the sun is bright.
It's true. A sunny day just feels cheerful.
Okay, so let's talk about the opposite. What about cloudy days?
Cloudy days. When the sun is hiding behind the clouds.
Yes, it's hiding. Is a cloudy day a bad day for you?
Not always. Sometimes a cloudy day is nice. It's not too bright. It's good for walking.
That's true. You don't need sunglasses on a cloudy day.
Exactly. And it's usually not very hot. It's cool.
I like cloudy days for taking photos. The light is very soft and beautiful.
Oh, that's interesting. I never thought about that. You see, a cloudy day can be a good day.
Yes, it can be. But what if the clouds are very dark?
Dark clouds. That usually means rain is coming.
Yes, rain. Do you like the rain, Paul?
I have a secret. I love the rain.
Really? Many people don't like the rain.
I know, but I find it very cozy. I love to be inside my house when it is raining.
Okay, I understand that. Being inside.
warm and dry when it is raining outside.
Yes, I make a cup of hot tea or coffee,
Ooh, nice.
and I watch a movie or read a book. The sound of the rain is pitter-patter, pitter-patter, very relaxing.
Pitter-patter. I like that sound. It is very relaxing. Okay, you are right. Being inside when it rains is nice.
What about you? Do you like the rain?
I like it sometimes. I don't like it when I have to go outside.
Oh, yes, that is not fun. You need a big umbrella.
A very big umbrella and a raincoat and rain boots.
Rain boots are fun. You can jump in puddles.
Like a little kid. Yes, jumping in puddles is very fun. I did that when I was small.
Me too. It was the best part of a rainy day. My mom would say, "Paul, no!" but I would do it anyway.
That's a great memory. So, rain can be fun too.
Yes, and the plants and trees love the rain. They need water to grow.
That's a very good point. Rain is very important for nature. Everything looks so green and fresh after it rains.
Exactly. So rain is good. Okay, what's another type of weather?
How about windy, when the air is moving a lot? Whoosh!
Oh, a windy day. I like windy days in the autumn
Why in the autumn?
because the leaves on the trees are red and yellow and orange. The wind makes them dance. It's beautiful.
Wow, that's a beautiful description. The leaves are dancing. I love that.
It is. It's like nature's confetti.
Confetti! Perfect! But sometimes the wind is very strong.
Yes, very strong wind can be difficult. You have to hold on to your hat.
Oh, that happened to me once. I was walking, and a big gust of wind came, and whoosh, my hat flew off my head.
Oh no, did you get it back?
Yes, I had to run down the street to catch it. It was very funny.
I can imagine. A funny story for a windy day. What is something fun to do on a windy day?
You can fly a kite.
Yes, a kite. That is the perfect activity for a windy day. The kite goes so high in the sky.
It's amazing. It looks like a little bird flying up there.
It does. It's beautiful and very fun. So, windy days are good for flying kites and losing hats.
Exactly. Okay, let's move to a different temperature. Let's talk about cold weather. Brr.
Brrr. Yes, cold weather. When you need a warm coat.
And a scarf. I love wearing scarves. I have many colors.
Scarves are great. And gloves for your hands and a warm hat for your head.
Yes, it's important to stay warm when it is cold. Do you like cold weather?
I do. I like the fresh, crisp air. It feels very clean.
That's true. And on a cold day, it's nice to drink hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate is the best on a cold day, with marshmallows on top.
Yes. Now I want hot chocolate.
Me too. So, what happens when it is very, very cold?
When it's very, very cold, sometimes it snows.
Snow. Beautiful white snow. Does it snow where you live, Emily?
No, it doesn't snow here. Never. I have to travel to see snow. What about you?
It doesn't snow here either, but I saw snow one time. I went to the mountains in winter.
Wow. What was it like?
It was magical. Everything was white and quiet. It was so, so beautiful.
I can imagine. I want to see that one day. What did you do in the snow?
We made a snowman.
A snowman with a carrot for a nose?
Yes, a carrot for a nose and little stones for the eyes and mouth, and we gave him a scarf.
That is so cute. I love it.
It was very fun, and we had a snowball fight.
A snowball fight? Was it cold for your hands?
Yes, very cold. That's why you need good gloves, but it was so much fun we didn't care.
That sounds like a perfect winter day. Snow is amazing.
It is. So we have sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, warm, cool, and cold. Wow, that's a lot of weather.
It is, and they are all connected to the seasons.
Ah, yes, the 4 seasons. Let's talk about that.
Great idea. What is the first season?
Let's start with spring.
Okay, spring. What is the weather like in spring?
In spring, it starts to get warm. It's often sunny, but it can also be rainy. April showers bring May flowers.
I love that saying. Yes, spring is when the flowers start to grow. It's very beautiful. The weather is not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, it's a lovely season. After spring comes
Summer.
my favorite. Summer is usually hot and sunny.
Yes, long days, lots of sunshine, perfect for the beach, for picnics, for ice cream.
Everything we talked about. Summer is a happy season for me.
Me too. Okay, after summer, what is next?
Next is autumn, or some people say fall.
Right, autumn or fall. What's the weather like in autumn, Paul?
In autumn, it starts to get cool. The days get shorter. It is often windy.
And the leaves on the trees change color. The dancing leaves.
Yes, the beautiful dancing leaves. I love the colors of autumn. Red, orange, yellow.
It is very pretty. It's a cozy season. Time for warm sweaters.
Exactly. And after autumn, the last season is
Winter. Brr.
winter. It is cold in winter, sometimes very cold. And in some places, it snows.
Yes, winter is the time for hot chocolate and staying inside where it's warm.
And for building snowmen, if you are lucky.
Yes. Wow, so many types of weather and 4 different seasons. English has many words for weather.
It does. But they are easy to learn. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy. Hot, cold, warm, cool.
Yes, they are. Okay, Paul, the big question.
I am ready.
What is your favorite type of weather? Your number 1 favorite?
Oh, that is a hard question. I like so many. But I think my favorite is a warm, sunny day. Not too hot, just warm and sunny.
A warm, sunny day. Why?
Because I can do anything. I can be outside in the park. I can be inside with the window open. I feel happy and energetic. It's perfect.
That is a great choice. A perfect day.
Thank you. Now your turn. What is your favorite type of weather, Emily?
My favorite, I think it is a cool, sunny autumn day.
Oh, interesting. A cool and sunny day in autumn. Tell me why.
Because I love the crisp air. It feels fresh, and the sun is shining, but it's not hot. I can wear my favorite sweater and a scarf.
The sweaters and scarves.
Yes. And I love to walk in the park and see the colorful leaves. It's just so beautiful and peaceful for me.
That sounds wonderful. So we both like sunny days, but at different temperatures.
It seems so. See, everyone has a favorite.
That's true. Wow, this was so much fun. I feel like I can talk about the weather all day now.
Me too. And it's such a useful topic for our listeners. You can talk about the weather with anyone, anywhere.
Yes, it's a perfect conversation starter. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Or, wow, it's really cold today. It's easy and friendly.
Exactly. Well, what a great chat, Emily.
It was. And I hope everyone listening enjoyed it too.
We hope you learned some new words for talking about the weather.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We love having you here. Please don't forget to subscribe
And give this episode a like if you enjoyed our conversation about the weather.
and please leave a comment below. Tell us, what is the weather like where you are today?
Ooh, that's a great question. And tell us, what is your favorite type of weather?
We would love to read your answers.
Yes, we read all the comments. It's so nice to hear from you.
It is. So until next time, keep practicing your English.
And have a wonderful day, no matter the weather. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.